I'm going to explain why I changed my portfolio to have in total over $4,000 Qubetics at the average cost of around 4 cents or 4.3 cents. I'm currently at a loss of around $1,100. My portfolio looks like this. So I have $1,900 in stablecoins, almost 2,150 euro in Qubetics, some Bitcoin, Solana, and some altcoins. Why I believe it's the right moment to invest in Qubetics. So they delay their release of the Q3 roadmap, so the price didn't go up. In the GitHub, you can see they're actually working on the project. So what they're gonna release is basically they're gonna compete with all the current bridges. So now when you open Phantom Wallet, I'll open Cyber. I have 90 cents Solana here. I want to swap it because I need another currency, another cryptocurrency to pay somewhere. Max, this is 90 cents. I have to pay basically 5 or 6 cents fee, so 5 or 6% fee. These fees are crazy high for everybody. Of course, if you buy more, it can go lower, but exchanges are also buying this fee to swap, and banks. So, example, you want to buy one Bitcoin on the exchange, and they are running low on Bitcoins on the exchange. What they will do is swap another fund they have, enough from to the Bitcoin. They also have to pay the swapping fees, and Qubetics is basically taking away this cost of swapping fees to third parties. Everything will be swapped on chain in the Qubetics ecosystem. This is how it works. Exchanges and banks use the Qubetics bridge. It's not technically a bridge; it's very technical. It has reduced fees than the current solution they are using. So this takes away a massive cost for the exchanges, and the fees they have to pay are paid in TICS. This will create the demand for the native coin of Qubetics TICS. That's why I'm investing in TICS. Okay, so I'm gonna explain what is needed in order to have a nice profit in the Qubetics investment. So the global market, crypto markets at the moment is 4.13 trillion. You can see here Qubetics is at this moment 11 million. So if we want to reach, example, $2, at your target of $2, Qubetics needs a market cap of 816 million. That requires 800 million new inflows in just 0.1 or 0.2% of the 4.14 trillion market. There's less than 0.1 out of 400 dots. So like it's not even a full dot. It's 1/10, less than 1/10 of a dot that needs to go into the Qubetics ecosystem in order to achieve the $2 price target. So if we take the $2 price target, so currently I'm holding 84,000 ticks, predicted price can easily go to 2. What I'm after is daily revenue from staking, as the Qubetics ecosystem offers 30% staking rewards. The daily revenue of staking 84,000 ticks is around $120, or gives you a monthly income of $3,600. Depending on where you live in the world, this is for sure enough to sustain. It's a passive income, you can live with it. And okay, now to the profit calculation. So I'm holding personally 84,000 ticks, and the predicted price is around 2. I'm aiming to get to reach 2 USD. As long as I didn't reach the 2 USD, I won't touch my investment. Currently revenue with 84,000 ticks, it's daily 60 ticks or around $120 instant every day in your wallet. Monthly revenue 1,812 ticks, around $3,624 dollars per day per month. For sure you can live off this in some places in the world. Okay, let's calculate what's in it for you. So if you decide to invest $1,000 today at the price of 0.03 cents and a predicted price of $2, staking results, basically what you will earn daily in passive income is around $62 or monthly $1,869. Now, depending on where you are at the world, this can be a lot of money or this can be not enough to live off. But for most people, $1,800, it can be a really nice extra monthly income. That's why I decided to invest a big share of my portfolio into Qubetics at this moment. I will make one more video how you can buy the ticks and how you can stake them.